So I'm actually in the process of moving, just moved. As you can see, my studio's a little whacked out right now, but I'm trying to decide on whether I want to sell my home or lease out my home. So I'm gonna ask Chat GPT to create a table on the benefits, on the pros and cons of doing this. So this is pretty cool. A lot of people don't know this. You can actually have Chat GPT create really proficient tables. Look at this, look how cool this is. And I can start to think about all the benefits here, right? You can even go deeper and say, like this, you may have to pay, like selling your home, you may have to pay capital gains tax. You no longer own the property, tenant-related legal or maintenance issues from leasing. So this is pretty interesting. Now, another thing that I'm looking to do is I want to go deeper here because I actually do want to lease my home because I like this one. I like the steady rental income. I like the cash flow. That's what I'm interested in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask it for a plan so that I can actually lease out my home effectively. All right, follow along here. So again, I'm not a realtor. I have no experience in realty. I want to lease my home. Please give me a step-by-step breakdown on what I need to do to rent it out. And let's see what ChatGPT gives me back. So it says, get familiar with landlord-tenant laws. Before you begin the process of renting out your home, it's important to familiarize yourself, blah, 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 blah. Pretty cool. Prepare your home for rent. Determine the rental price. Now, it's going to give me like these really general ideas here. But again, what's cool about ChatGPT is it's a chat bot of sorts. So what I can do is I can go in here and go into further detail and breaking these down. So for example, let me say advertising my home, let's say screening potential tenants. That's something that my wife is really nervous about, getting a terrible tenant. So let's go a little bit deeper into this. I need help screening. So I'm going to ask it, I need help screening tenants. What should I do to ensure I have a great tenant? So this is pretty cool. And again, this is what's so amazing. You can go deeper and deeper and deeper down the rabbit hole. So let's say that it says require an application. What I can actually do is ask it to help me create an application. Like, are you seeing this? Look how incredible this is. It's not only has it recommended the process, but it's actually giving me the tips, the tools I need to break it down even further. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm excited to see what you get going in ChatGPT. Leave a comment below and I want to hear what you're doing. This stuff is amazing, isn't it? All right, thanks for subscribing. Check you next time. Peace.